Hi, this is Christine with another video for Trinity Stamps. Today I'm going to make a snow globe ornament. So we don't need any special dies for this. We'll just take any ornament haft that you happen to have. They're in craft stores and definitely online, and just trace two circles around. I've done one very close to the circle and one further from the circle. I'm going to cut it out, and you'll see why I've done this later. I've pre-colored my tree and deer from the Joie Noel set, which I'm probably butchered the name. It's a really adorable set from an artist in South Africa. Here I'm adding some Versa marker to the tree because I would like to heat emboss some snow. And I have some embossing powder that puffs up. There are several companies that make this. I believe WOW does, Hero Arts has some, and I believe Lawn Fawn has some. And as you're heating it, it puffs up. It's really pretty awesome. So I've used it on coffee, and I've used it as snow. And here I'm going to use it as snow. And the Versa marker allows you then to put, wherever you want the heat embossing powder, the embossing powder to stick. That's where you'll draw with the marker. So now I'm going to heat set it. I'm making sure my heat gun is pretty hot, and hopefully you'll be able to see in a moment it puffing up a little bit. You can see on the top there, definitely it's puffing up. And it's so cool. I love this embossing powder. So now I've temporarily glued, or I've glued actually, my deer and tree already on. The part I wanted to show you is this part. So I like to make sure there's some snow on the bottom, even though I'm going to use some glitter snow, puffy snow. I like to add some glimmer paste, and it's cosmic glimmer paste. So then in case the fluffy snow that I add in there doesn't really stay on the bottom, it still looks like snow on the bottom. So that's just something I like to do. And you got to make sure it's good and dry. I've adhered a couple stars, and Trinity Stamps has this in stock in gold and silver, and I love it. They're just tiny little stars. And here I've also added a star. I'm not sure what company it's from. It's been my stash forever. To the top of the tree. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, with a glue gun, adhere the globe on, and also adhere this tinsel on. So you won't actually even see the paper anymore, which is why I cut the paper a bit larger than the globe. So I'm not going to show the heat gun because I have to pay attention really well, or I might burn myself. As you can probably tell from my hands, I've actually burned myself a couple times with a heat gun over the years. So here I'm going to add some fluffy snow, some snowballs, and you want to add that, of course, all first before you use the hot glue. So thank you for joining me today, and have a great day.